Welcome to Denmark. My name is Simon and I work as an audiologist for Widex. Today I'm in Lynge, our headquarters, and I get the chance to talk to an expert on design. Per will introduce us to the design and the purpose of the new Moment Sheer products. So come on, join me in. Hi Per.
Hi Simon, good to see you.
Very good, and you've brought something with you. And I think from a first look, like the team has really nailed it. It's very elegant, the design is so Widex, yet a little bit different, and it starts from the packaging right there. Maybe you can tell me a little bit about it.
It starts with the packaging, and the packaging has been redesigned. We've given it a new look and feel. We've added a tactile print on the top that tells about our claim to fame, sound like no other. And the unboxing experience is really, really cool and gives it very premium quality perception when you get the pack.
But what's more important is actually what's inside the packaging, and that's our S-Rig RDs. Can I pick one up?
Of course. We've also looked into the past and reintroduced the raised microphone grid that was a part of our design DNA going way back to the Widex Passion form factor. The tactility of the button, we use a lot of time in making sure that the feedback function of that is also very, very correct, so that people with dexterity also get feedback when they do actually press the button to change the program.
And what you truly said is, or rightfully said, is that the microphone ports, they really reflect the heritage, but they're here for good use as well, to provide the best sound that we've learned before with pure sound, if you want to use that, and also the Widex sound relax programs that are in there. So it's very nice to have them all in this one product.
Yeah, and I think that working with design, we very much focus on not just designing only for aesthetics. It's also about doing purposeful design. So purposeful design, being part of our design philosophy, very much aligned to our audiological and engineering philosophy, ensures that our consumers get this great experience from the Widex products as well. We've also used our philosophy of purposeful design when designing the charger. We've listened to our consumer feedback and made the charger even more stable than it was before, and we've made it smaller as well to make it much more handy. And we're using the same design DNA with the metallic band that goes back to the microphone cover, that lets you feel that it's part of the same portfolio.
Yeah.
And also from the usability for the end user, we've redesigned the inlets where you put the hearing aid, so they're a lot more intuitive when you put the hearing aids in there. And that's also important for end users, because you don't want them to fiddle around or put the hearing aid in incorrectly.
I could see that. So every time you take it from the ear, your hearing aids, and you put it in front of you in the box, you don't need to twist them around. They just like slide in. Cool.
Exactly.
Something that's very dear to me is, I have to say, the TV play, and I can see it sitting here, and that has changed too, and it fits perfectly to the rest of the products. First of all, that's fabric, right?
It's fabric. We've partnered up with Kvadrat, a renowned Danish company that has a very, very strong sustainability strategy. Has been designed so that you can put it sleekly behind your TV. It fits very nicely behind your TV.
You want to know what my favorite feature about the TV Play is? It's actually the dual antenna, because it allows you to broadcast into the room and stream audio, whether it's coming from a stereo or from your TV. And you can connect as many Moment Sheer hearing aids as you like, as long as they connect to Bluetooth. And if they set up with that, I can stream into the entire room, and it doesn't matter how many people are sitting in front of that. So I think that's very cool.
And this is again where design meets technology.
I can see something very new here, and that's super new to the Widex ecosystem, and it is the Widex Sound Assist, right?
Designed for the purpose of giving the end user that little bit extra. For example, if you're sitting in a situation where you want to listen to the person you're talking to, you can use it as an external mic, so that you place it on you. There is a clip on it as well.
And it changes the LEDs. So that means it has a directional microphone when I put it like this or like that.
Exactly.
And I can put it on the table too, I guess.
Yeah. You can
So it
also
works like...
you can also use it as a remote for your hearing aids and turn up and down the volume.
Cool. I know that it has 3 microphones. So basically it works with a beamformer, and it sets up to Omni, so you can always pick up the speech in the best possible way when you're in a restaurant or, for example, in a meeting. I think I can set it up to my phone and also use it as a streamer, right? So it works both ways. It picks up my voice, but it also lets me stream and lets me accept hands-free phone calls.
It does. Hands-free phone calls, you can either have a clip to your shirt or your jacket, or you can also have a cord around your neck, so it actually picks up, and you can see again, the microphone picks up my voice exactly where it is.
Yeah, super. Last but not least, it has a telecord as well. So I think that really rounds up the entire package. So thank you, Per, for showing me through the products. It was my pleasure to see them for the first time, and I cannot wait to actually see more of them behind other people's ears. So thanks a lot.
Thank you.